loud noise in here, but everything's cool. I'm just in here studying my homework, so don't worry.